Hello, welcome to Soul English Land. Do you like animals? Today we're gonna learn about animals. Let's go! Bird, bird. Cat, cat. Dog, dog. Chicken, chicken. Cow, cow. Crocodile, crocodile. Duck, duck. Elephant, elephant. Fish, fish. Frog, frog. Giraffe, giraffe. Monkey, monkey. Lizard, lizard. Goat, goat. Hippo, hippo. Tiger, tiger. Horse, horse. Mouse, mouse. Sheep, sheep. Spider, spider. Snake, snake. So many animals. Shall we repeat again so we won't forget them? What is it? It's a bird. What is it? It's a cat. What is it? It's a dog. What is it? It's a chicken. What is it? It's a cow. What is it? It's a crocodile. What is it? It's a duck. What is it? It's an elephant. What is it? It's a fish. What is it? It's a frog. What is it? It's a giraffe. What is it? It's a monkey. What is it? It's a lizard. What is it? It's a goat. What is it? It's a hippo. What is it? It's a tiger. What is it? It's a horse. What is it? It's a mouse. What is it? It's a sheep. What is it? It's a spider. What is it? It's a snake. That's all for today. See you on the next video. Bye!